Yo, Paul with Zoom Gas. Today we're going to upgrade the horn on our 2023 CR-V to go from the stock horn that sounds like this to a new horn that sounds like this. We only need a few tools for this job, a couple wrenches, some dielectric grease, and our trim removal piece. In terms of parts, I suggest buying this horn from College Hills Honda because it comes with the included harness. That harness we're going to take and trim the ends off of and strip those. And we're also going to buy a separate mating harness that you see here. And we'll strip those ends also. And we'll need two 18-gauge wires with 1/4-inch quick connects on the end. We're going to then connect all those ends together with 2 wire nuts. Once we have those connected, we're going to shrink over it some heat shrink tubing to make it look like this, and we're ready to install. So we'll remove this shroud with these 6 . So with those removed, we'll just lift up here, pull up slightly, get around that hood latch, and take it out. So as you can see, there's the OEM provided horn, which we'll leave in place and utilize. And then we're going to add our second low tone horn to it. So let's get into the install of the low tone horn first. So what I like to do is take the bracket that comes with the horn, give it a little bend, about 15 to 20 degrees, somewhere in there. And that's going to give our horn just a little bit of angle so that the water runs out of it when we install it into our new spot. So then we're going to take that bracket that comes with the horn, we're going to put those on, and you want to put those on with the angle up. So we'll tighten it down with it pointed up so that it allows it to drain out. We'll then take that 1/2-inch bolt and nut with the serrated top to lock in that you'll have to get at a local hardware store. We'll go ahead and install that. So put that into that first, right into there, and then go ahead and tighten it down. We're going to take our new adapter plugs here, harness. We're going to plug each of the spade terminals into the added horn. Then after we do that, we're going to simply take this plug it into the factory horn, and then this one, and plug it into the connection right from the car. So then I'll do a quick test. Then I'm going to take those wires back off and finish them off for the final assembly. So using some 1/2-inch wire guard protector, I then wrapped the cords up and covered them with electrical tape, just like the rest of the wires are protected underneath the engine bay here. So then we're ready to put it back together. So make sure you tuck that piece under after you get it behind the hood opener. Drop it down in there, and then start replacing all of your clips. So with those all replaced, we'll test it out. So I also made a recording from within another vehicle so that you could hear how the CR-V horn sounds before and after this modification. So here it is before, and here it is after. So I hope you found this useful. Hit that like and subscribe button.
Zoom gas, it will make it go fast.